my gosh, nice hat, Mohamed.
So hot today.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice hat.
Thank you. Have everything here.
Oh my goodness, that's the kit, huh? We thought you were going to come for dinner time.
Yeah, dinner time, yeah.
Oh, but this
To make Tajine.
Ah.
Moroccan Tajine.
Oh. Sorry about that. Here's the vegetables if you need to cut too. Yeah. I'm making another table too. I get a bigger table.
Good morning, guys. It's next morning, and we have a surprise. You know, like a meals day. You guys see that? Yeah, there is Mohamed. He's preparing Tajine. So Mark is setting up the awnings. So he brought like the Tajine, ingredient in his car, and then we're gonna taste Mohamed's Tajine today. Awesome, right? Mohamed. With a nice head. I really like that head. If you need more oil, we have it.
It's enough, I think.
So do you cook tajine a lot at home?
Yeah.
You make it or mom make it?
Yeah. Tajine couscous also.
Couscous too. Humans are busy for me. I'm a queen.
Chicken, onions. So the chicken goes on the bottom, huh?
Yeah.
이거 약간 지글지글 찌게 끓는 것 같아.
예.
타진에서 나는 소리가 너무 좋아. 집에 온 것 같은 그런 느낌. 색깔 진짜 예쁘다. Okay. Oh no, I wanna have a tajine 그릇.
Mohamed, you told me you're going to start a business, right?
Yeah. I went to tourist guide.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And so I know you have a new car.
Yeah, I have a nice car, yeah. I want to start a new business.
Very nice car, we saw.
To come with tourists to visit a village of Tafroute around of my city, like Tubular Rocks.
Uh-huh.
It's
What's that Tubular Rocks?
Is a lot of rocks with a different color.
Yeah.
And it's good to see it.
It looks beautiful.
To take a nice picture.
Yeah. And you know all the best places in Tafrat, right?
Yeah. I know, yeah.
Okay, so if they want to contact you, I'll put your Instagram information down below.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Is that the best way to contact you?
Yeah, it's the best way, yeah.
Mohamed left to get some bread, and he's been gone for a long time, so I'm not sure where he's been. He just got back. He found the bread. Was it hard to find?
Yeah. Bread. It's okay, Tajine.
I think so.
Yeah.
It's good?
Good.
Alright.
Smells good. I got the fork.
Yeah.
It's hot. It was hard to find the bread, huh?
Yeah.
It's like
Everyone is
Friday.
close, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Shukran. 뜨거울 것 같아.
Hot, yeah, but good.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
Very nice.
Mm.
This lemon you don't eat, right?
Yeah, you eat.
You can eat it?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna try the lemon tea.
Good. How to say good in Berber?
مزيان.
Musean, yeah.
مزيان.
Musean is good.
Do you know anything about Korea?
No.
Nothing, huh? Do you know Samsung?
Samsung?
Mhm.
Yeah.
In Korean.
It's Korean.
Yeah. I'll teach you how to say hello.
Hello.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Good. Next time you see a Korean, you can say 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
But maybe you'll never see a Korean again.
한국 사람들 여기 오셔야 돼요. 여러분 오세요. Welcome, 마라바.
Marhaba.
مرحبا.
When you think about Korean people, what do you think? Do you think nice people or
Nice people.
you think so?
Yeah.
But you only know us. 고추도 있네. No, it's really flavorful.
It's good.
Lying. Lying.
Try.
배울 것 같은데. We tried it.
It's not spicy at all.
That is spicy. That's not right. I would cry.
But you don't eat. the chicken.
Yes, I eat.
You eat?
But like this. Sure. Like this.
Ah. For just flavor.
Yeah.
No, you don't just eat it.
No.
Too spicy.
I eat like this. Oh.
I told you it's spicy.
Spicy. Oh.
I'm not gonna give you anything. Just feel spiciness.
Ah. Spicy. When the tourists come back, do you think your mom will work again?
Yeah, work again. Yeah. To cooking. Yeah.
It's just amazing. Your mom carried 10 kilogram of that harira.
Thank you so much.
We hope we can see her again.
Yeah. Thank you. In December.
Could it end up this year? We are gonna come back, huh?
Yeah. Are you sure you don't want to ride the car?
No, okay.
Maybe for your last chance.
Okay, right.
Try.
Wait.
Oh my god, it's my first time. Oh my god. Ow. Wow, window. I love this window. Seriously. Oh, that's so cute. Wow, it's powerful. You pick nice car. Yay. This is cool. This is nice. Mohamed has a car.
No.
Gotcha. Nice.
How was it?
It was good. Thank you, Mohamed. Really nice car. That's
Are you gonna leave? Okay, we'll see you tomorrow, Mohamed.
Yeah. See you
Alright, drive safely, okay?
Can I try safe?
Alright, hey, Tajine was awesome. Hey.
Thank you, Mohamed. 야, 승차가 엄청 좋다.
It's good, right?
Yeah. I, finding a ride in the my kind of cute car. I really like that car. So yeah, it's really nice. And a good Tajine too. Tajine was so good.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe.
Good morning, TV crew. It's next morning. We enjoyed time with Mohamed and he made a really great tajine. We loved it. It's so delicious. But today we are gonna leave Tafrat. The reason why it is hot, I'm sweating. My glasses keep falling to my nose. Today's highest temperature is 34 and it will keep going up. So we decided to go to coast. It is cooler than here. So we are gonna leave. I'm really like sweaty person right now. So Mohamed told us that there's a painted rock. It's a kind of touristic area in Tafrat. So before we leave here, we want to see it. Actually, we can hike up there, but since my ankle hasn't, good condition to hike, so we are gonna drive up there and then look at it, and then leave Tafrat and hope to come back soon or later. All right, let's leave. I'm so hot right now.
Alright, this doesn't look too bad at all. I was expecting much worse than this. Ooh, getting some elevation here, huh?
Navigation say that 25 minutes away from Painted Rock, but I think it would take longer than that. Road is pretty amazing. It's a steep hill. Yeah, I don't know. It just reminds me, like it reminds us the Mongolia, right?
Yeah.
This is
flashbacks to Mongolia.
Yeah. Back then we were so naive. Alright, hopefully we can reach there. Alright. Oh, nice! Guys, I can see the painted rock right now. It's like a really popped up because of the color in here is basically like brown, but you can see the blue in there, chef shine color. Okay. Windy. Guys, I think we cannot drive up to there because you guys can see the road like this. When we go this rip and you can see box that soft ground that maybe we're gonna have a trouble later, so we decide not to drive. I think I can walk, it's quite flat, gradually going uphill, so I can walk there. And Mark will find us spot to park TV, and yeah, let's go check it out. Mark say like 50-50, but we don't want to take a chance. Guys, we are walking to the painted rock. So coming here, it's not that hard. Road is quite natural, but they will maintain quite smoothly, and they put the sign really good too, so when you drive you will never lost, because there's tons of sign that like this is the way. And then looking at this painted rock is amazing. It's not only the chef shine color, it has a pink color, it has a yellow and orange. I'm waving my hands crazy because there's a flies that biting flies. I think I got bit by on my face. I really like this one too. It looks like a map. You can see here that there's the orange color and pink color and a chef blue color. Here they have a yellow one. It's cool.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, oh, but I can't get back.
Did you see the not bumpy road? What? 팬트된 돌 잘 봤나?
Yep. Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice. Now we are gonna head to the coast, right? 해안가로 갈 거잖아.
Yeah.
How long it will take today?
It'll be about maybe 3 hours to Tisnet, and then maybe 2 hours from there. That's
Long drive today.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Long, expensive drive.
I know.